If y'all are seeing me for the first time, my name is Tracy. I'm the creator and I run our YouTube channel, but I also am the author of our blogs. And if you want like a readable tutorial version of a lot of our videos of what we're all about here at 4D Farms, we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. You can catch us on our blogs at 4dfarms.blogspot.com and 4dfarms.wordpress.com. Do y'all suffer with dry eyes, especially during that time of the year, or itchy, scratchy eyes, you know, allergy season, things like that? I'm going to show you how to make your own eye drops. I do use these all the time, and I make my own because I have dry eyes, okay? So I'm going to show you, simple little thing, save an eye drop bottle. I don't care where it comes from, as long as you can remove that little cap that's on the top that pokes in your eye, okay? And you're scared to see that drop coming, okay? I am in my bathroom so I can clean up when I get done, okay? So save it, take that little top off, okay? Eye drops are made mostly of, here's your ingredients, a saline solution and some kind of oil that's very hydrating and moisturizing. And I use either mineral oil or castor oil. Castor oil wound up being my favorite because it lubricates more. And y'all, the health benefits of just castor oil is out of this world, okay? And it does help with the eyes. So why not use that? So, you know where you can get the saline solution? You know, babies, when they have stuffy noses and you can't give them a baby and you can't give them anything, but they've got that stuffy nose and they can't breathe and they can't sleep at night. Little Remedies saline solution. And another reason why I like to use this is because it's a gentler saline solution that doesn't burn, okay? This is better. You get the adult strength, and yeah, it might tend to burn just a little bit more. Since I'm using castor oil, I am going to go ahead and you can get castor oil. Y'all, I think Walmart may have it, but get a good quality one. We are fortunate enough to have a Mennonite store down the road, and it's a health food store too, where I can get all this goody stuff from. Okay, you are going to be very careful because that hole is very little. I do have a little bitty funnel somewhere that I also make my own roller bottles, y'all, but I can't find my funnel. I think it got mixed in my travel and stuff, okay? So, very gently, you're going to pour 1 to 2 drops is all you need of either castor oil or mineral oil, okay? But I'm using castor oil, only about like 2 drops. So I'm going to be very careful, y'all. I do not know where my funnel is at. I'm going to try to hit the hole. Whoop, it went outside. See, told you, I'm going to miss. 1, 2, I got it in there, y'all. Only about 2 drops. You don't want to be so blurry that you can't see, okay? Because y'all, I've got some over-the-counter eye drops, those expensive ones, and from the Vision Center, and our eye doctor. Whew, them things are expensive, y'all. Okay? And they can make your eyes a little blurry until you're ready to see, okay? 2 drops is all I'm putting in there. Saline solution. I will finish filling this up, y'all. That's all you need. Simple saline solution. I would get the baby children's so it don't burn so bad. You can either use mineral oil or castor oil, okay? The benefits, I've even researched the benefits of castor oil, and y'all, it does help the eyes anyway just by itself. Now, let me tell y'all a treatment for pink eye. Be very careful if you make you a pink eye solution, because it's the same thing. You can use the same drops, but if you or someone has pink eye, be very gentle. but you can use tea tree oil, 1 drop, because tea tree oil is that antifungal and anti all that stuff, okay? It helps pink eye, okay? 1 drop is all you need, because tea tree oil is going to sting just a little bit. You get past that sting for a second and you're fine, okay? I have like some kind of spot on my eye right in here. My eye doctor is keeping an eye on it. And I actually have 2. I have one over here and I have one right here that it kind of gets, if it gets any closer to my eye and my pupil, they will have to remove it. But I'm trying the concoction for the pink eye to try to help treat this, to see if maybe I can shrink it just a little bit. I don't want anybody poking anything into my eyeballs trying to get it out, okay? So that's all, y'all. Save one of these bottles, fill it back up with a simple baby's saline solution. I wouldn't get the adults, might be a little too strong. Castor oil or mineral oil, okay? And that's all you do. For pink eye, try just the 1 drop of tea tree oil after you get everything in here, okay? And then when you get ready to use it, shake up your bottle really good. 1 to 2 drops in each eye, and it moisturizes, okay? So there's you another thing that maybe you can start switching out something, save money, you're going natural, and you're helping your eyes. There's your little tip for you, okay? I will see y'all in the next one.